According to the Russian Foreign Ministry statement, at 3:05 local time, two Ukrainian unmanned underwater vehicles carried out an attack on the Crimean Bridge. As a result of the terrorist attack, the road part of the Crimean Bridge was damaged, while two adults were killed and one child was injured. The railroad track was not damaged by the strike. The attack on the Crimean Bridge was committed by the regime in Kiev. The decision to target the Crimean Bridge was made by Ukrainian officials, their military, and with the participation of US and UK special services, the statement added. A civilian couple from Belgorod region were killed, their child was wounded. The 14-year-old daughter has been admitted to the intensive care unit of the local hospital. Her life is not in danger, according to local authorities. Emergency responders and law enforcement have been dispatched to the scene, said Aksanov, the head of Crimea. The Transport Ministry said an inspection of the bridge was underway. According to the RBK Ukraine, the attack was a joint operation of the SBU and Ukrainian naval forces. The bridge was attacked with the help of surface drones. The 19-kilometer, 12-mile, bridge is the longest in Europe and carries both road and rail traffic. It holds huge strategic and symbolic importance for Moscow. The bridge was severely damaged on October 8 when a fuel tanker exploded and destroyed a large section of the road. Russia built the 19-kilometer bridge at a cost of around $3.7 billion after Moscow annexed Crimean Peninsula in 2014.